You just got your hands on the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7, that futuristic foldable beauty, and now you're wondering which case will protect this thing without ruining the vibe. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the best Galaxy Z Fold 7 cases available on Amazon right now. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. TORRAS Galaxy Z Fold 7 Spin Magnetic Stand Case. If you're rocking the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you need more than just a basic case. You need smart protection that keeps up with your phone's advanced design. That's where the TORRAS Galaxy Z Fold 7 Spin Magnetic Stand Case comes in. The first thing you'll love is the built-in 360° rotating stand. No attachments, no awkward angle, just flip it out, spin it around, and set your perfect viewing angle. Whether you're watching Netflix in bed, on a Zoom call, or snapping hands-free selfies, it works like a tiny, reliable tripod right on your phone. Even though the Z Fold 7 doesn't natively support MagSafe, this case makes it work. The powerful built-in magnetic ring snaps right into place on magnetic mounts and wireless chargers, ensuring a solid connection every time with no slips or guessing. And you're not sacrificing protection either. This case is military-grade tough, with reinforced corners, hinge protection, and raised edges around the screen and camera. It even includes 2 screen films, so you're protected out of the box. Number 2. SUPCASE Galaxy Z Fold 7 Case. If you're looking to armor up your Galaxy Z Fold 7 without losing functionality or style, the SUPCASE Galaxy Z Fold 7 case is a beast in all the right ways. Right out of the box, it gives off that rugged, no-nonsense vibe, but once you snap it on, you realize how much tech is packed into this thing. The built-in N52 magnet ring is no joke. It locks onto MagSafe chargers and mounts with impressive strength so you can wirelessly charge without any wobble or misalignment. Even though the Fold 7 isn't MagSafe by default, it's been drop tested from 20 feet and meets military standards. The hinge is fully covered, the corners have airbag cushioning, and it even includes a high-quality built-in tempered glass screen protector. Your front display stays crystal clear and super responsive. Add to that a handy kickstand for both portrait and landscape viewing and a grippy textured edge that makes it feel secure in your hand. You've got a case that's as tough as your phone is advanced. Number 3. Oneagle Galaxy Z Fold 7 Case. If you're rocking the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Oneagle case is one of those rare finds that blends premium protection, full functionality, and standout style. First off, you'll love the magnetic system. 38 strong N52 magnets are built right in, so it locks firmly onto any MagSafe or Qi wireless charger without slipping or misaligning. You won't have to take the case off for wireless charging, and it's fully compatible with all your MagSafe accessories, from car mounts to card holders. One of the smartest features here is the integrated hinge protection, something cheap cases usually lack, and it even includes a dedicated S Pen holder to keep your stylus secure and ready for action. The case has this sleek, frosted back with a soft, premium texture that feels great in your hand and resists fingerprints and smudges. Plus, it doesn't yellow over time like other clear cases do. With military-grade drop protection, a built-in screen protector, and raised lips around the camera and screen, this case has your Z Fold 7 fully covered, literally. Number 4. SPIDERCASE Galaxy Z Fold 7 Case. If you're looking for solid all-around protection with smart design features for your Galaxy Z Fold 7, the SPIDERCASE is the perfect fit. Right out of the box, it feels tough and premium. One of the standout features is the built-in stand, which props your phone up in both vertical and horizontal positions, which is super handy whether you're binge-watching shows, scrolling through the web, or on a long video call. It gives you that hands-free, big screen experience the Fold 7 was made for. The built-in magnetic ring locks in fast and tight, making wireless charging smooth and secure. No slipping, no readjusting, just place and charge. The hinge protection is next level too, with a military-grade airbag system and a matte finish that resists fingerprints, smudges, and dust. You'll also get a high-sensitivity 9H tempered glass screen protector already installed, so your front display stays flawless. Number 5. Hensinple Galaxy Z Fold 7 Case. If you're after a case that combines style, protection, and serious magnetic power, the Hensinple Galaxy Z Fold 7 case is one you'll want to check out. From the moment you snap it on, you can feel the durability. It's built tough with military-grade drop protection that's been tested over 10,000 times from 10 feet. That's some serious peace of mind for a phone this premium. The corners are reinforced with anti-collision tech, and the soft bumper paired with a solid back absorbs impact like a champ. What makes this case even more impressive is the built-in magnet system. It's fully MagSafe compatible, so you can use all your favorite accessories, wallets, mounts, and chargers without ever needing to remove the case. The magnetic alignment is super strong and makes wireless charging faster and more stable. On top of all that, you get a frosted matte finish that looks sleek and feels great in your hand. It resists smudges, fingerprints, and scratches effortlessly.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.